But very small thing I learned from my seniors. Whatever you do with care, and you must be focused. Higher qualification is the need of the country, I don't feel. But higher sensitivity and higher maturity and higher responsibility and return back to the society with the connectivity of industry. So that is the need of the moment. How you will do that surely makes our country into different directions. But yes, guidance is really important. I still recall my old days. One of my guru, one of my teacher from the schools, he used to guide me and my friend. Though I have been into college, class 11th and 12th, he used to guide. He tried to be focused and do for the best. Percentage of marks is not the criteria, but the confidence is very important. So whatever you do with care. If you appear for exam, and whenever you come out of the exam hall, you must not forget what is your marks. If you are 60%, if you are 50% or 82, so you must be there. I will get 79 out of 100. If it is 78 or 75, that is not an issue. Or in fact, instead of 79, it can be 82 or 84. But the variation and the deviation must not, exceed the limit plus minus 5% or 10%. And that is application in the industry. Whenever you prepare any estimations, still I recall those days, confidence. If I have learned 8 chapters out of 10, so 8 chapters I must say, yes, I can come out with 80% or 82 or 90. No need to go for all chapters. No need. I don't feel personally. It is my choice whether I will go for all 8 chapters or one by one the 10 chapters. I never been into the race into my academics. I must be the topper. I must top. I never think, and I never guide anybody. There is no need of the moment you must be the topper of the college or the schools. But yes, at the same time we realize, yes, whatever you do with care, with confidence. Once you become confident, you can be able to give guidance to your fellow colleagues, to your friend circles, even seniors, with confident approach. Nowadays, our country are moving towards highly confused mode. So potential peoples are theirs, but lack of guidance. If I got the right guidance from my engineering colleges, I don't think I could be able to add more trainings on earthing, on equipment or products, technologies, or even other engineering services or estimations or cable, hardware, SCADA. There are n number of areas which we have not yet learned because of the so-called our curriculum. I again don't blame to my country and the educations. That is so-called what they used to, guide based on the certain reference, AICT. So I don't have any rights to blame my teachers. At the same time, yes, I can expect many things. Once I become mature and premature baby, engineering baby, though we got certificate from the good institutes, whether it is IIT, NIT, but still I thought once I reached to my college and I asked what is meter and smart meter and the difference and what is the exact applications of the smart meter, that is the need of the moment. How people are getting benefit. Do you think in the US or New York that has been started 20 years back? Why our country are moving now?
Infrastructure is one of the, or economy, sir.
Yeah, that's
economy is
what.
more, sir, because हर एक कंट्री के अलग अलग पॉपुलेशन है, वो एक मेजर इशू है सर। पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज्यादा है, वो तो है इकोनॉमी भी एक इशू है। और जो सर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के बात है, स्मार्ट मीटर, वो तो सर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता हो रहा है, क्योंकि जो स्मार्ट ग्रिड और स्मार्ट मीटर का बात कर रहा है वो एक साथ नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि पूरे को चेंज करना पड़ेगा।
Yeah, that I'm coming, and that today I will share some of the slides. Ki what is our destinations of the entire this 6 months course, and I will split. We have a discussion yesterday with our director and team ki how we'll move towards our destinations with a small group activity. Today I will take some time first off, maybe let's see how when it could finish. Though my target was to share CT, how the selection of current transformers, but yes, I thought the background of the distribution systems and rather revamp distribution sector schemes, RDSS, which is the burning topic of the country. I never expect from an engineering college or engineers that they know. So our country are thinking very high. Our prime minister, our power ministers, all are very, foresighted persons. They know how to move our country, including the top political authorities. Somebody are from engineering service, somebody are from non-engineering service. It's not mandatory or need of the moment. Yes, we could complete our engineering, postgraduate or graduate. But at the same time, we must not forget where we stand today, 2022. What is the distributions? What is the revamped distribution sectors? As we are learning, so learning is a never-ending path. The role of power sector in building nations and well-being of society can't be overstated. Since famous Benjamin Franklin kite experiment in 1752, 1752, which first charged electricity in the minds of human beings, there has been long journey of evolution of electricity, including anecdotal differences between Thomas Edison and Tesla. I hope every people knows their backgrounds, leading to fast forwarding the application of electricity in our lives. Power sector has been huge momentum in India since advent of electricity and amendment of the Act 2003. With new power availability as such as abundance and being transmitted seamlessly through long conduits. Still, the conundrum of surplus power in India coexisting with frequent load shedding, very, very burning topic. Load shedding of long hours in hinterland remains to be unresolved. The renewed wave of energy transition is trying to address this momentum by empowering, strengthening, and digitalizing the ailing distribution sector. This distribution sector is ailed, and we are here to digitalize from actual to the grace of virtual and hybrid. And we are on the same benchmark today. 50% people are attending actual program, physical program, and 50% participants are attending virtual. How the gift of God and technology. So this is a God-gifted or man-based, all are, while we all are this part of the journey, digitalizations. We never learned during our engineering colleges how the journey with the Microsoft Teams or the Zoom or the Google Meet or there are n number of platforms. All are the gift of technology. All are human brains like us. The pursuit has got a major flip through the RDSS program, where Government of India has made a large policy, a regulatory and financial commitment to drive the sector out of woods for all time to come and put the sector on path of sustained improvement trajectory. The first target will split how the energy transition, the loss reduction, we can divide our team into one segment, who could be part of us as AT&C laws and some research. We'll give you some kind of guidelines, 2 kilometers certain range, it is at 11 kVs or LTE 430 volt 3 phase, and remote village where people still today are not expecting